loves, well, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I thought I would show you a cute little look that I like to do sometimes when I go on a little date night with my hubby Phil. This is it, so if you want to see how I did it, just stay tuned. So first things first, I need to deal with this complexion. This is my coconut infused smooth skin perfecting powder foundation. It's really fast, it's really easy. It's super duper moisturizing and hydrating, but it does give a beautiful, fast and even natural, full, happy coverage. Now you know I love me a glow. So what we're gonna use is my liquid light transforming drops. I'm not gonna mix it in with my foundation, obviously, because I used a powder, but I am gonna take it full strength just on my fingers and tap it on certain areas of my face. Now I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm using my Perfect Prep Eye Primer. The great thing about this is it hydrates, it moisturizes, it makes the makeup last literally all day and all night. So I like to take it and literally put some all around the entire eye area, pat it in, and then no matter what we put on top, it's gonna stay and it's not gonna move. I'm gonna do a really sort of strong lip. So I am going to use my Muted Muse Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So first and foremost, I'm gonna start with this delicate. And I use the flat end of the brush and I just kind of go all over from my lash line to my brow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade called Hopeful, which is soft peachy shade, and I'm gonna use the crease ball, and that I'm really just gonna kind of take to just get a little bit of definition. So just nice and soft, back and forth, really diffuse that line so it's not too heavy and not too harsh. Now I want to address the under eye area super quick because these two shadows here, the delicate and the innocent, they're not just made for eyeshadow. Because these are talc free, you can literally use these all over your face. I'm going to take the delicate, I'm going to use the flat end of the brush underneath my eye. Watch this. This is gonna brighten, and if you have any wrinkling or crepiness under the eye like I do, don't worry, because it is literally made to go underneath the eyes. Now I'm gonna take the Innocent, which is a soft peachy shade, and I'm going to use that as a transition color between my eye brightener and my skin tone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and very softly and gently go where the delicate ends and where my skin tone begins. So when you get this amazing palette, it does all the work for you, not only for your eyes, but for your face as well. So last but not least, we're gonna do a nice strong mouth. So obviously I put a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, but not too much because I really want the mouth to be the star. So I'm starting with my Garnet lipstick. So I'm gonna put this on first. If you want to leave it like this, absolutely fine. Or if you want to make your lip look a little fuller, take my Buff Bling lipstick and just put it right in the center of the mouth. First things first, I want you to take a little bit of like a little tissue or a paper towel or whatever and just kind of gently blot the inside of the lip. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the Buff Bling and just a little bit, don't go too crazy. And just kind of soften the center of the lip. So this is my fun, happy Valentine's Day kind of date night look. Whatever happens afterwards, I am not responsible. Such a dork. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed, amazing Valentine's Day. And remember, the #1 most important person that you need to love is you. Okay, honey? Can I get an amen up in here? Thank you, and I love you. Stay Gorgois, and we'll see you soon.